Brighton, a seaside city where the streets hum with music, murals, and mischief. But here's a lesser-known truth. This place has a sweet tooth. Step off the train, and a short stroll brings you to Ann Street. Here, outside St. Bartholomew's Church, a different kind of pilgrimage begins. The Brighton Chocolate Tour. 2 hours, 5 stops, one delicious mission. You'll walk cobbled lanes where fishermen once bartered for the day's catch, now lined with artisan chocolatiers crafting ganache, fudge, and truffles that melt before the sentence ends. This isn't mass market. It's bean-to-bar brilliance. First, a hot chocolate that clings to the cup like velvet, then a macaron whispering with almond and rose. At stop 3, pralines with a pinch of sea salt, Brighton's own flavor of rebellion. Between bites, you drift through Brighton's beating heart. North Lane bursts with color and quirk. The Royal Pavilion looms, part palace, part fairy tale. Down to the pier, gulls wheel overhead as waves fold into shingle. Your guide's a storyteller, part historian, part chocolate scout. You'll hear how sugar once lured empires and how Brighton, with its seaside defiance, embraced sweetness on its own terms. As the final tasting lands, a dark truffle with a hint of chili, you realize this isn't just a food tour. It's a flavor map of Brighton itself. So walk slow, savor everything, and let the chocolate tell its tale.